Hello traders. In this video, we're looking at the Forex Pandorum Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how the indicators color cloud and on-chart information appear, what those visuals imply about market direction, and how it fits into a discretionary trading approach. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the indicator plots a color cloud directly on the main price chart that changes color depending on the detected market direction. When the cloud turns green, it visually implies bullish conditions, with the indicator suggesting that upward movement is currently favored. When the cloud turns yellow, it implies bearish conditions, highlighting that the market environment has shifted toward downside pressure. Alongside the cloud, the template typically includes on-screen levels, as you can see here, for suggested stop loss and take profits, which are these green and red bars over here. If you hover over them, you see SL for stop loss, TL for take profit, TP for take profits, and we have TP1 and TP2. Now we also have this label showing the trading style, the last signal, which is a sell, time until next candle, and the current time. Now together, the cloud color and reference levels give you a structured visual framework that helps users quickly interpret how the system classifies current price action. If we move over to its settings, we have the maximum candles, the indicator work on, the mode, which is aggressive, the TP1 and TP2 levels, SL levels, and time frame. You also have the alerts, email notifications, sound, and others. You also adjust the color of the cloud, either green or blue, or yellow or red. Now, who is it for? The Forex Pandorum Indicator is aimed at manual traders who want a visually guided cloud-based system that highlights potential bullish and bearish phases on MT4. This can appeal to those who like having suggested stop loss and take profit reference on the chart while still retaining full control over final trade decisions and risk per position. The tool is purely analytical and does not execute or manage trades automatically. It generates signals and visual guidance that the trader must interpret. As with any rule-based indicator system, cloud color changes and suggested levels are based on historical price behavior and can be less reliable during sharp news events or highly volatile, choppy markets. So it should be combined with independent risk management and additional confirmation. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below, along with the learn more link so you can read the full review and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you're interested in more color coded style, cloud style, and system style indicators, remember to like the video, subscribe, and